Say hello, everyone. Hi. Hi. Okay, that's all. We are going to the mall. We are just landed in Xiamen, and we are going to take off the flight to the Los Angeles. Now we are going to fly to Los Angeles. Hello, this is Terry, and this is Lindsay and Kevin, and this is Jane.
Yeah, sorry.
So now we're going to take the flight to Vegas, and here, say hello.
Gopher.
Okay, Golfer. Hi. Hi. Who's that? Lindsay, right? And who's the?
See you in Vegas.
Okay, see you in Vegas. And Mark, say hello to everyone.
Hey guys.
And we're going to fly to Vegas. So cool. Do you expect the show for the ConExpo?
I've been to ConExpo for the last 15 years. I haven't missed one.
Oh, really? So cool. Yeah, we're going to go there and meet lots of customers.
Hallett, Landau, JLG, Genie, many customers
They're going to
in
be-
both the construction and the manufacturing part of the industry.
Yes, correct. Okay. We just landed at Las Vegas, and we're going to pick up our package.
We want to get 10 perfect 7 hours before we start. 10 perfect 7 hours. You must hit 10 perfect 7 hours.